Here's a look at your Local 5 weather impact forecast. I'm Chris Kubal. We have another weather impact alert to tell you about for Thursday noon going into the evening, looking at more travel impacts from whether it be a wintry mix or snow. So let's talk about the details on what we're expecting. Yet another Alberta Clipper diving in from the north and west. May start with a few early flurries on Thursday, but the bulk of the action is coming in afternoon. You see snow over the northeastern half of the state with a thin band of a wintry mix of rain, snow, sleet, and potentially, you see those temperatures, freezing rain with a light icing being possible. This will wrap up into the evening and will be quieter as we go through the rest of our Thursday night into Friday, keeping those temperatures fairly steady into the 20s. Now, amounts of snow, a little tricky to pin down that band, but we're looking at the northeastern half of Iowa where there will be a swath of 2 to 5 inches. That may catch some of the Local 5 area on the northeastern edge, but generally totals quickly fall off and there will be many that don't see any at all. But watch for that icing potential, again, especially on the south edge of that band. And if that band does waver north and south just a little bit, we're likely going to be seeing that glaze of ice wavering a little bit as well. Either way, slippery roads for many across central and northern Iowa, especially through the evening commute. That quick hitter is going to be in and then out. Behind it, no big cold push of air. Tonight, 18 degrees is what we're calling for, and then 28 for a Thursday as we go into that weather impact alert for mixture and snow. Thankfully, wind is going to be light, so we're not talking about power outages or anything like that, but purely an issue as it looks on the travel scene. Looking ahead to Saturday, we're going to be tracking another winter storm possibility here, yet another Alberta Clipper as we go into the start of the weekend. This will be another nuisance type snow where we see a few inches, plowable amounts, if you will, and again, more travel troubles. But behind this one, a big drop in those temperatures, air temperature going around 10 below in Des Moines, wind chill of 25 below, and that number could be as cold as 35 below in the northern reaches of the state of Iowa. It is going to be a frigid start to our Sunday morning. Air temperatures alone are bad enough. We're talking a 5 to 10 mile per hour breeze to arrive at those wind chills we just talked about. Let's go ahead and take a look at the extended forecast into next week. We'll mellow out, actually get some milder temperatures in here, a lot of 30s in the forecast, still tracking a few systems in that stretch, but nothing jumping off the page at this point. An active 3 days of weather ahead, though, in central Iowa.